Now standing tall along Bonnie Brae Street in South Denton is the emerging sculpture titled Dear Moon, showcasing various welding techniques that echo the natural elements of the area.
We think it fits very nicely with the pedestrian walkway and offers a wonderful bit of art for this area of Denton that has not had public art yet.
And it was made possible through the collaborative effort between a professor and his students at Ferris State University in Michigan.
It's been great. Good learning process, I would say. I enjoy, getting some hands-on experience with work because we don't get to always do that, at school. But it's been good, a lot of challenges.
He's able to sort of bring this really advanced capability in welding from Ferris State University, train students in welding as part of this art production, and then provide us as the beneficiaries with this really beautiful art piece.
Crafted from durable metal, this sculpture is built to last for centuries, hoping to spark conversations for generations to come.
This conversation is going to go on with children this big, elderly people this big and creaking over for centuries and centuries and centuries and centuries. That's a conversation.
This latest art installation that harmonizes with nature and hopes to inspire an ongoing conversation is part of the city's commitment to enhancing public spaces with art. In Denton, I'm Kimberly Barroteran.